Hey guys, welcome back to the Road Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you increase your cache app limits. So guys, if you want to increase your cache app limits, first of all, guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, you may just open your app store and in search bar, you may write here cache app, and you will make sure that you have latest and updated version of cache app. If you are not latest and updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys, you may open your cache app account, and guys, here you may click here on your profile icon, and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of limits, so you may click here and all your limits will be shown here. So if you want to increase your limit, then guys, here is the option of verify your identity, so you may click here and you may make sure that your identity is completely verified. If your identity is not verified, then guys, you may put all your documents here and you may verify your identity, and you may check your limit will be increased. The second method is, guys, you may go back again, and here is the option of support, so you may click here and you may contact to cache app support team. So you may scroll it down, and here is the option of chat, so you may click here and you may chat with cache app support team and tell them your problem, and after some verification, cache app support team will increase your limit, and now you can do any transaction on cache app easily. So by all these method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.